So I have cotton swab and alcohol, as you see. So can I do this? No, bro. Look, you can go inside. So as I said, cotton swab and alcohol is not all the time for everything. Okay, look, I try it. Do you think it can go into the battery port? No at all. So here's a guide. You have a cotton swab, and I use this tweezer, and you may remove it. Okay, so all we need is a cotton swab, not exactly the stick also, and you don't have to go inside. I will show you. Okay, just make it together. I don't think you want to put with the sharp object, right? So just wrap the cotton swab, wrap as much as you can. If you cannot wrap totally, that's also fine, and you just put the alcohol. The higher alcohol percentage is better always. Okay, there you go. You can put inside now. So normally when your battery has been used for many flight hours, you may see some like corroded. So you should do like a blackening surfaces. So then you may have some communication error. Quite often you can do cleaning of the port as I show in this example. So you just put the cotton swab, dip in the alcohol, and put it inside and take it out, and you will see it's totally black after 2-3 times. Then you can replace a new cotton swab and you can clean it again. Okay, so let me keep doing every single part and I will clean everything. No matter what, you have a communication error or not, you can clean it by this way. Clean properly, clean regularly, and maintain regularly, which will be really help. So at least every after 100 hours of flight time, it worth cleanings. Okay, but at least for 300 hours flight times from each battery, you should do that. I hope this guide help you. So if you find it helpful, you should also share with your friends. And I won't mind you tap the subscribe button. Thanks guys. See you in the next video and continues enjoying my flights so that let me keep doing it and it is finished. Okay, have more cotton swab, just do it.